Chef Azanis, and as you know, food is absolutely my love language. So today I got invited out to Man versus Fries. I really want you guys to understand my pure obsession with potatoes, like fries, seasoned potatoes. I don't care how you make it. I really love fries, right? So today I got invited out here. It is at its pop-up stage, right? Which is really exciting because I get to taste it first, right? So we're going to taste some of the things that they have on the menu. So I want you to take a look at this menu, okay? This menu, it just has so many options that you can choose from, which it was really hard for me to choose. So I chose the asada fries with the curly fries option because curly fries honestly is my favorite. It has Impossible meat on here. It has guacamole, and I believe this is very close to a Southwest ranch. The flavor is just bomb, all of this together. And it also does have shredded vegan cheese, which was really, really good. Let me explain something to you. I am also obsessed with guacamole. Obsessed with avocado, period. Literally, avocado toast is my best friend. Look at this. Look at that. Ooh. It honestly has so much flavor. They took time on the guacamole, and this really, the vegan meat has such a seasoning, and it literally reminds me of a little bit of a chipotle seasoning to me, which honestly is really good, especially with this sauce right here. It reminds me of like a Southwest, a ranch. This is good. Good. So guys, if you're going to order, right, on Uber Eats, because this is basically a pop-up, you're going to place the order and then you will come pick it up. You want to make sure that you choose the vegan verse fries, because the Man verse fries is going to be your normal meats, beef products, chicken products. So make sure that you choose the vegan verse fries. You will not be let down, I promise you.